Okay, here today we're using the NextGen Gallery plugin, and it's already in here. And we got some pages already, some galleries already created, and some pictures already in there. And you can see we're going to go ahead and go into the kitchen one here, gallery called Kitchens, and you can see that it has several pictures already in it. Now, the pictures that they give you is what's actually the file name before they were uploaded. And sometimes it's a name you may want to have with the picture, and sometimes it's not. So, like, I don't know that this is not really a picture of a digital Olympus digital camera. It is in a kitchen. I don't know exactly what you want to use for your descriptions. You can make it more specific, but go ahead and fill in the titles and fill in a description to go with them. Like I put pots and pans here. You can put something more descriptive with it. You can go ahead and add some tags here. If you add other pictures, if you decide you got some you don't want to show right then, you can exclude them, add them back in later if you want. But this is how you manage your different galleries. In each gallery, you'll have for each set of pictures, just one gallery for each set of pictures. As you get done with this, then you go ahead and save changes. But this gives a description to go with your photos here. Here you can see the gallery in action. Got the photos here, and you can either click on each one and it will pull up. These pictures may be fairly small. I think if we hit them, we can change the settings in a way so that we have larger pictures if we would like, I believe. But you can click on it and go back. But as you can see, like on pots and pans, when I click on it, what I wrote in the description, pots and pans, is showing up there. And so if I wanted to write more in there, then more would show up there. But that way you can go ahead and get some descriptions with your pictures. NextGen was just updated with a new plugin, which has some cool features we didn't have before. And one of them is you can now rotate the picture. And that way you can have it, before all the pictures had to be landscape. And I believe you can now have them in going the other way, which would be like a portrait style. See, this would be like a, and that would rotate it. We're not really going to update it and rotate it because we don't want it going that direction, so I'm just going to hit the X on it. You can rotate your pictures. You can also edit your thumbnail. You want a different thumbnail showing, then you can, instead of the whole thing, you can come in here and just have part of it however you want it to show up in the thumbnail, and then hit your update. Anyway, those are some of the options that you have there. The other thing I wanted to show you is we have different styles we can use. And you have these right here that we're looking at. And sometimes when you hover on it, you might catch the title, and the title might show up if you just happen to catch it just right. The NextGen Gallery has a style option, which I like. And we're going to go ahead and show you that. We're going to go ahead and change this shadow effect with description text. So the description text will show up with it. And then we'll hit activate. Refresh the page. So there you go. And see, and I like the way this looks better. And it's got little shadow things on it. But you can change it with different screens to go with. And as as you click on it, that one doesn't have a description written with it yet. I've written the description on here. And you can see how the descriptions will come up with them there as they come up. Anyway, have fun and enjoy this.